Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we had done one exercise on goods issue for a cost center. That is on unplanned goods issue. Now we will take up the next exercise on unplanned goods issue, which is withdrawal for scrapping. So our exercise is like this. Post two quantity of test material from plant 9110, storage location 1000 as withdrawal for scrapping from unrestricted use stock. Enter 410000 as the cost center for the scrapping. Make a note of the total or unplanned consumption in the consumption data for the material in plant 9110 before and after doing the goods issue for scrapping. Okay. So, of course, right, for goods issue for scrapping from unrestricted use stock, we have to use movement type 551. Now, we will do one thing. We will first, go to the material master of this material in MM03 and go to the consumption data of the material and check what is the consumption for this material. Let us go to MM03. I will put our test material, enter. Select basic data 1, 2 and MRP 1 or 2 is fine, anyone. Put the plant, put the storage location, enter. Here, to go to the consumption data, we had to go to additional data. Click on additional data here. Go to the consumption tab page. And here we can see there is no consumption of this material for this whole year. Okay, it is 0. We can see here. Okay, so now what we will do? We will do the goods issue or withdrawal for scrapping. Okay, so how to do the goods issue for scrapping? We have to use the transaction code MIGO. Okay, so MIGO. Let us go to the MIGO transaction. I will just input this here. Write the transaction code. We have to go here. MIGO transaction code we have to use. Okay, let us go to the MIGO transaction code here. Here. So it is withdrawal for scrapping, right? We have to select goods issue other. Always, it is the other. And here, the movement type we have to use is 551. Okay. See here, goods issue for scrapping. So you can, if you can check this movement types here. So many movement types are available that we can use for goods issue under other in MIGO transaction code. Okay. Let me scroll down here. Okay, let me scroll down little again. Scroll down little here. I can see here 551. See, I can see here 551 is withdrawal for scrapping from unrestricted use stock. Okay, 551 movement type I am going to use. Okay, so now input the material number RS-1004, enter. Put the quantity. What is the quantity we are going to scrap this material? 2 quantity. Okay, so 2, enter. Okay, where 9110 and storage location 1000. Okay, enter. Okay, then put the account assignment. Okay, so here cost center. Okay, so we are going to withdraw this material against cost center 410000. Okay, this is the cost center. Okay, for scrapping 410000. Okay, after inputting all these details, right, select item OK and click on check. Okay, so we have to enter the vendor because this material, right, it was procured from this vendor. Okay, so we have to input the vendor. Click on check. Document is okay. Now click on post. Okay, so the material document, goods issue material document for scrapping is posted. This document number is 49000 ending with 205. You can display this material document here. Click on display. Same material document number is here. Enter. We can see the material document here. We can see the quantity in this plant storage location and what movement type was used 551. Goods issue scrapping from unrestricted use stock we can see here, and we can see the cost center also and GL account, all these details here. So now the goods issue is done. Okay, now we will see the consumption data of the material in the material master record. What is the consumption? So before making the goods issue, we had seen that zero quantity of the material was consumed. Okay, in the consumption tab page in the additional data of the material, we are able to see no consumption of the material at all in this year. Now let us, after we have done the withdrawal for scrapping, let us see what has happened. We have to again start here. Let me go to MM03, input the material, enter data 1, 2, and select MRP 1. 1 or 2 is fine. 1, 2 or 1 or MRP 1 is 9110. Storage location 1000. Enter. Okay, so here, go to additional here. Go to the consumption tab page. So we can see that in the consumption tab page, okay, there is no quantity of the material consumed. So that means here, whenever, we withdraw any material or make goods issue for a material for scrapping. That means whenever we scrap any quantity of a material, the consumption of the material for scrapping will not be updated in the consumption tab page in the additional data of the material. But if we withdraw the material for a cost center, okay, so in such case, the consumption of the material will be updated in the consumption tab page in the additional data of the material. So that we have seen in my previous video where, we had done one exercise on withdrawal for cost center. So now it is very clear that whenever we withdraw any material for scrapping in the consumption tab page, that quantity of the material will not be updated in the additional data of the material. So this is about, withdrawal for scrapping under unplanned goods issue. Thank you for watching my video, and soon we will see in another video with another interesting topic. Till then, see you.